Hi guys, I'm Krishnika here and today we are making tasty homemade chicken momos. So let's begin. So first take some flour, salt and some refined or olive oil. Now add some salt as per your taste and add some olive or refined oil and then mix them all together and now start to knead the dough with some warm water. Now start kneading the dough by adding water little by little. Now the dough is ready, so we will keep it in a bowl and cover it with a wet cloth or some plastic wrap. And keep it aside so that we can use it whenever we want during the day. And now it's time to make the filling. For the filling, we have to take some chicken and chop them in very small pieces. We can use it as raw, but I have just fried it a bit. And now we have added some chopped onions and we are mixing them. Now add some salt according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon soya sauce and mix all of the things together. Now add some tandoori mayonnaise and some veg mayonnaise. This step is very optional. You can add some Italian seasoning, oregano, red chili flakes and any other thing. Now roll the dough in some medium-sized circles and start shaping the momos. Now I have finished shaping all the momos and now we are going to steam them. To steam the momos, first take some water and add some oil to it into the lowest container. Then place the momos and now let it steam. Now the momos are ready. I've only shoot 5 momos because I forgot to shoot because I was so craving for the momos and I eaten them all and only 5 were left, then I got to shoot. So hope you all enjoyed, so bye!